So Uber just made a horrible update for drivers, but we're gonna talk about it. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you're considering driving on the Uber app, you need to watch this video because in my opinion, this is absolutely horrible. And quite frankly, I'm not surprised that Uber drivers don't like driving for Uber, and a lot of them are thinking about quitting right now. Speaking of which, if you are looking for an extra way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube. You are watching YouTube. Millions, if not billions of people watch YouTube every month, and you can make money with a faceless YouTube channel. It's something that I've been doing. I have multiple YouTube channels. If you guys didn't know, I've been doing YouTube for 5 years now, and it's really changed my life. And right now, or at least this year, on one of my channels, guys, I'm bringing in over $10,000 a month. This is just from this year so far to May. And if you go to last year, I brought in over $120,000 just on one single channel, and it really changed my life. I was able to buy this house I'm sitting in. It got me out of my credit card debt, and faceless YouTube channels was the answer for me. And now I'm teaching you how to do it. I have a link below. You can start a 30-day free trial to join my membership. Try it out. If you don't like it, you can leave it. I know for a fact so many of you guys will love it and will start making life-changing money because YouTube pays really well if you can just get a channel monetized, and I'm gonna help you do that. So once you click the link, you'll unlock a 54-minute video tutorial on how to set everything up and market it and everything, and I'm gonna guide you through it, and you can also join our group chat. So take advantage of that 30-day free trial. You don't need experience, you don't need a following, and you don't need to show your face, okay? So check the link below. I'd love to see you down there. Now let's get started, okay? So Uber is launching, or has launched, UberX Share. They're basically rebranding Uber Pool. And if you know anything about Uber Pool, everybody hated Uber Pool because who takes Uber Pool rides? Broke people who don't want to tip and who probably are going to report you, and people who don't mind taking the cheaper route. And drivers end up making less money because their tips go way down. You end up doing a bunch of short $2 to $3 rides, and it's just bad. It doesn't work. They've tried it in the past and they got rid of it, but they brought it back for some reason. So they're calling it UberX Share. They're trying to, I guess, try to make people forget Uber Pool and calling it UberX Share. Look at this. You'll see a request for UberX Share in the app for your first rider, just like with UberX. As always, the ride option is displayed at the top of the offer card, so you'll know it's an UberX Share request. You note that you can reject primary UberX Share trip requests without penalty, so you can now actually reject them. But keep in mind, you're gonna start getting a lot of passengers, guys, who are only doing UberX Share, so your normal UberX rides are now a premium level. Whenever you introduce a cheaper version, what do you think is gonna happen? People are gonna flock to the cheaper route, and they're gonna be upset when they have to pay more, which is really what has been the standard. So keep in mind, if somebody's like, oh, well, I'm gonna do UberX Share for $4 to go across town and UberX is 12, psychologically, when they take the $12 ride, they're not gonna leave a tip, right? Because they're like, well, I'm paying 3 times as much. And look at this. When you accept an UberX Share trip, the driver app will search for ways to pick up more riders along the route. You'll be notified if another rider is added to your trip, and your route will update automatically. If a rider doesn't arrive at the pickup location within 2 minutes, you'll have the option to cancel and collect a cancellation fee. Keep in mind, my friends, in my personal experience, the Uber Pool and the Lyft Share cancellation, because it's only 2 minutes, they lower the cancellation fee, because a normal one, when it's 5 minutes, you'll get the $5. But with Uber Pool and Uber Share, oh, you only wait in 2 minutes, yeah, we're only gonna be $2. But You already drove all the way to the pickup location. Sometimes you drive 10-15 minutes to pick somebody up and you're only getting $2? Give me a break. What a joke. I wouldn't be surprised if so many people, like, look at this. They're incentivizing drivers to do UberX Share psychologically by doing that little busy icon. They go, oh yeah, do UberX Share, turn on Uber Share rides, and you'll make a lot more money. You'll get more passengers. You're gonna do more trips, so you're gonna hit your Uber bonus. They're gamifying the whole system, guys. So keep in mind, you know, when they're trying to gamify you, withstand the game. Do not be controlled, all right? This is for freedom. This is for time flexibility, driving Uber. You know, it allowed me to start my journey, my path of cutting up my credit cards, paying off my credit card debt, then paying off my car loan, and then, you know, getting onto my house. Driving Uber and Lyft was actually the very start of it. That's when I started, you know, trying to pay off my credit cards. And then I ended up making a YouTube channel, and that's what really changed my life. But still, Uber and Lyft was kind of at the beginning of all that, to just, you know, it taught me a lot about finances and, you know, running your own LLC and business and stuff. So if you do want to learn more about the Faceless YouTube channels, again, you don't need experience, you do not need a following, you do not need to show your face, okay? Somebody commented below, oh Dylan, I'm too awkward to do YouTube. I'm like, well, that's the whole point of a faceless channel. You can be as awkward as you want, it doesn't matter, no one's gonna see you. I taught my friend how to do a faceless YouTube channel. She started making $40,000 a month. $40,000 a month doing a completely faceless YouTube channel. You'd never see her face, you never heard her voice, you wouldn't know it's her. And she absolutely killed it. She started making way more money than me. So sign up right now for my 30-day free trial if you'd like. Cancel at any time for them. And then once you sign up, click login, go to my programs and click view programs. Then you'll see the Faceless YouTube channel program. Start it, you'll see it. There's a 54-minute video there. And then go to the group chat tab, join the group chat, and we'll all communicate there. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk soon.